Hello to everyone and welcome to the Rando Teach. Today we are going to make apricot cake. And by the way, yeah, you might say there's a woman hand in the picture, but the voice looks like a man voice. Yeah, you're completely right. The one who's making the cake for you is a woman, and the one who's speaking for you is a man. 50-50, right? Alright, let's start by seeing what we need to begin. Keep in mind that our ingredients are divided into two parts. The first part is for the cake itself, and the second part is for our cream cheese. For the cake, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 eggs, 2 teaspoons baking powder, half teaspoon vanilla extract, and a pinch of salt, 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 3/4 cup of milk, 3/4 cup vegetable oil. And for our cream cheese, we need 200 grams of cream cheese, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, 2 teaspoons powdered sugar, and a pinch of vanilla extract. To make our cream cheese, we gently mix the ingredients together, step by step, until it turns into a smooth and well-blended cream. Then, we pour the prepared cream into a disposable piping bag and set it aside for now. Let's continue with our cake. First, separate the egg whites from the yolks. Then, pour the egg whites into a bowl and whisk them until they become fluffy and voluminous. In this part, we are going to add sugar, but pay attention. In this step, we just should add half of the sugar, and we put the other half of sugar aside. When you mix them good, pour them into another bowl and empty your bowl for our next part. After that, we add our yolks and sugar. Add your vanilla. Whisk the egg yolks, sugar, and vanilla thoroughly until the mixture doubles in volume and becomes pale in color. Add milk and oil. After adding the oil, mix it just enough to combine. Next, add the baking powder and salt to the flour. Then, gradually incorporate the flour mixture into the batter. Once the flour is fully combined, gently fold the mixture you had set aside earlier. At this stage, it's best not to use a mixer, as we want to preserve the fluffiness of the whipped egg whites. Next, pour the batter into your cake pan. Here we used a 23 cm pan. Once you put the batter into the pan, it's time to use the cream cheese mixture you had set aside earlier. Now it's time for our apricots. I bet this cake is going to be very tasty. Now let's go for our oven. Our oven temperature should be around 180 degrees Celsius. And it's best to preheat the oven before you start making the cake. Bake the cake for 45 minutes. Well, I'm kinda exhausted right now. Hey, how about you smash that like button to recharge our baking energy? That makes sense, right? Wow, look at this beautiful. At the end, you can add your powdered sugar to your cake. Enjoy your apricot cake. Thank you for watching till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also ring that bell so you can notify when we post another video. See you soon!